Show us your pictures.
Okay. Silk. Oh, this is normal.
Uh-huh.
This is silk.
Wow!
You see the difference?
Okay.
And then, hindi ko ano to.
Pero, dapat kita pa rin yung full body. Napakita naman ako dyan. Napakita naman ako dyan. Yun. Tapos, yung touch dyan naman, titigyan ko na siya para magmumukhang confusing, magmumukhang distorted. Oh. Okay na yung picture? Okay.
Can I see your shots? Oh! Wow!
Ang sakit ng paa mo nun.
Tatlong